Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in ACT Payroll Tax Account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to get logged in your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and after you open it, type in the URL www.revenue.act.gov.au. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on the payroll tax option. So once you tap on the payroll tax option in the page, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on self-service portal login. So once you do this, simply tap on continue with digital identity. After you tap on digital identity, you will be redirected to this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on the select my government ID. Once you select your government ID, you will be redirected to an external link which will take you to this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address which you had used in your government ID app. So simply type it in and hit the login button. It will then get you logged in into your ACT payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.